Do you want to be successful in your life? Do you think in any game you are going to win without a game plan? What about your own life? Do you think you are going to be successful in your life without a life plan? Assalamu alaikum to all my viewers, and today I'm going to tell you the answers which I found in this box 15 years back that changed my entire life, and I call it the recipe of success. So what are we waiting for? Let's go inside and see what is the recipe of success. And the recipe of success is project management. How it can be a recipe of success that changed my life and can change yours life also. To understand this concept, you need to understand what is a project, what is project management, why project management, and why I call it a recipe of success. To start with the basic definition of project. A project is a unique deliverable with a specific purpose and objective to achieve within a given and specific time frame. Take example of this video that I'm making. To make this video, I have to make a plan, I have to manage my resources, I have to manage that the quality of this video is up to the mark. And what about all of my viewers who are watching this video? They are my stakeholders. I have to cater their needs and their interest also. And what about risk? What if anything happens at the last moment? Do I have a mitigation plan for that? What about time? I have to take care of the schedule of this video also. Now think about big projects. This making a video is a small project, maybe of 5 or 10 minutes. Think about the extent of application of all these areas, like planning, managing of my stakeholders, managing the quality, managing the resources, managing the time, managing the risk, managing the requirements. There are so many things for this small short project. And what about projects having lifespan of 1 year, 2 years, more than 5 years? What about a project of building a house? What about a project of building a dam? So all these areas, when we apply these areas, the application of all these areas that I just mentioned is what project management is all about. Now the question comes in that why project management? Why it is important? Because you need to plan, you need to manage resources, you need to manage quality, you need to manage risk, you need to manage stakeholders, you need to manage the schedule, you need to manage the requirements, and all of these things combined together come in one single box that I call project management. So there is just one principle that combines all these things and apply them together on a project and make it a success. That is why the project management is the most important application and knowledge that we need to understand and learn. Now, why it is and how it is linked with our life and why I call it a recipe of success. Think about your own life. We are not here for indefinite time. We are not eternals. And all of us are unique. Do you agree? I'm pretty sure that all of you agree that we all are unique, we are not eternals, and each one of us has a specific purpose and objective in life to achieve. So do you think that you are going to be successful in your life without application of project management? I think that managing your life and our life is the most complex project with the most complex risks, with the most complex schedule, with stakeholder needs, with resources, with quality. And the best application of project management starts with your own self. That's what I started doing 15 years back. And believe me, I'm getting results. And I urge you that you should start applying project management on your own self, on your own life project, because that's when you understand that why project management is a recipe of success. And that is why I call it the recipe of success. So application of project management starts with your own self. So start doing it. In the next video, I will tell you that how you can apply project management and ensure that you have a successful life plan. Thank you for watching.